In this example, we'll be creating an email template in Lightning Experience. Now, Salesforce provides us with the functionality to create emails and email templates. One can create templates and keep it private for themselves or make it available for others as well. So I'm currently in the home page. Now there are two ways to go about it. One way is to navigate to an object, let's say such as an account or opportunity object that provides us with the functionality to send an email to a customer. So for this example purposes, let's hover over to Accounts tab and let's click on a sample record. If you look towards the right, under the activity panel, we have an option to create an email. Let's click on that. Now what we can see here are some of the most standard functionalities that we see in any email template. We have the from to BCC subject. For this example purposes, let's enter a subject. We can go further down and compose the email body. Now we could go down and save this as a template. But before that, it's important to mention that in this email functionality, we also have the option to attach files. We can insert merge field. In the current example, the point where it mentions Dear XYZ, we could remove that and insert merge fields such as first name. And every time we send this email out, the email will capture the recipient's first name. And now we could save this as a template. We could mention the template name, some description about what the email is about, save it in our private or public folders, and click on save. Now for this example purposes, I've already created and saved this as a template, which we will test it out by the end of the example to see if it's actually working. Now, at the beginning of this example, I mentioned there are two ways to go about. Another way is to go to the app launcher, type in email templates. Now the button on the top right corner gives us the option to create a new email template. Let's click on it. We will have to follow much of the same steps here, where we would need to enter an email template name, select the related entity type, and put in a short description. Make sure if you would want to make it available to everyone, and therefore you could put it in the public email templates or only use it for personal use, and then you could go ahead and save it in the private email templates. We can go further down. We can mention the subject and the text for the email body here. Now let's go ahead and test this functionality. Now let's test out our email templates by clicking on Accounts, for example. Click on Edge Communications again and click on Email. And let's say if you were to go down and select a template, insert, and there we have it. We have the subject that's been auto-populated and the email body that's been auto-populated as well. Thank you.